In this video, we will talk about the creation and usage of test configurations. To start, let's open the test configuration tracker. I have already created a test configuration for hardware in the loop, so we will create one for the software in the loop methodology. The main purpose of these configurations is to create different environments where you can run your test cases. By creating these different environments, you can just apply them to test cases, and this way you don't have to create separate test cases for the different environments and thus save time. Let's create a new test configuration. As I mentioned, this will be a software in the loop configuration, so let's give it this name. After saving it, let's go to our test case tracker. Now we will apply these configurations to the cruise control adjustment test case. Let's open it and create a new test run. When creating the test run, you will notice the test configuration options listed at the bottom. Let's select both of these configurations, then click on Save. After saving it, the test run tracker will immediately group these new test runs for our convenience. So let's execute the first one. Let's open it, click Run, and at the top we can notice the software in the loop configuration, thereby confirming that this test run will be associated with this configuration. Let's finish this test run. At the test run summary window, we will see another confirmation of our configuration that we used. To finish up things, let's execute the other test run as well. The configuration in this case will be hardware in the loop, so let's run it. And as before, at the top we will notice a confirmation of which configuration are we using at the moment. So let's finish it. And same as before, at the summary window we will see our configuration that we used for this test run.